Baba nasema asante, Baba nasema asante, Baba nasema asante.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. Well, keeping our natural hair moistured for long is one of the hardest things ever. I know the struggle. Our natural hair tend to lose moisture so quickly depending on the hair porosity. If you have fuzzy hair or a low porosity hair, the struggle is even real. I'm just about to give you amazing tips to keep your hair moistured for long, and the last tip is very important for long-lasting moisture, so you want to stick around actually to see or to hear about it. So today we're going to learn how to deep condition our natural hair. Deep conditioning is one of the way to add moisture back to your hair, and also it helps to repair damaged hair and leave the hair soft and very nice. For this process, you want to start on a clean hair. So I've just shampooed my hair with the Cream of Nature moisturizing shampoo, the one I've just shown you. So if you don't know how to clean or how to wash your hair, I've done a very good video on showing you how to actually wash your hair. I'll leave the link on the description box below so that you can go and check it out after you finish watching this video. So then I'm going to use Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura oil intensive hydrating mask. So that is the mask I'm using today. Then I like putting my hair in section. I find working in section so easy for me, and if it makes the product to be evenly distributed on all my hair strand, and I'm not worried about leaving any other part of my hair not moistured. This process will take time because you're adding it on top of the wash day, which is already stressful and overwhelming. But adding deep conditioning to your hair care routine will add moisture to your hair. Our natural hair needs moisture to stay healthy. Moisture can be lost during shampooing, when heat styling, or when applying chemical treatment to our hair. Deep conditioning will add moisture back to our natural hair. I believe you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and also let me know how long your hair stayed moistured for and how many times you do deep condition during your wash day. Well, let's do this again. So you want to make sure you're working on a clean hair. My hair is clean and I'm just adding more water to my hair, as water is the main moisture to our natural hair. Then you want to go ahead and apply any deep conditioning of your choice. So I'm using Shea Moisture Deep Conditioner, but you can use any deep conditioner of your choice. Then you want to go ahead and apply it on your hair, and you want to start by finger detangling your hair. Our hands tend to be very gentle to our natural hair. Then you want to pass a wide tooth comb. You want to start combing your hair from the ends towards the roots. This avoids unnecessary pulling of your hair from the scalp. You need to keep your hair moistured as much as possible. Our natural hair tends to be fragile when dry, and when dry, our natural hair can easily break, tangle, and can easily have split ends, which is the main cause of breakage to our natural hair. If you have breakage, it means you won't have any length retention and you won't see any hair growth. So you want to avoid your natural hair being dry as possible. Personally, I have fuzzy hair and my hair growth is very slow. I try to retain the growth I get as much as possible by having to moisturize my hair, and also I put deep conditioning on my hair routine as many times as possible. We also need to know that oils are not moisturizer to our natural hair. Water is the main moisture to our natural hair. So you want to keep that water bottle in handy every now and again. And if you're using a product, you want to make sure that the deep conditioner or the product you're using on your hair are water-based. So how do you know that a product is water-based? You know a product is water-based by looking at the ingredients. So the first or the second ingredient should be water. If it is not water, the first and the second ingredient, it means the product will be so hard to absorb to your hair, hence it won't actually work. So you want to make sure the product you're using are water based. And also, when you have protective styles on, please don't ignore your hair. You want to make sure your hair is well moistured. You still want to spray your hair with water, and also you want to still put on a leave-in conditioner just to make sure your hair is moistured, for you to have a healthy hair. You also want to keep your scalp healthy. Clean scalp will promote hair growth. So even when your hair is on protective style, you want to make sure you oil your scalp. You want to make sure you massage your scalp, as massaging the scalp helps with the blood flow, hence promote hair growth. If you have a very damaged or a very dry hair, you want to make sure you add deep conditioning to your hair care regime, as it will help you to add back the moisture, and also it will help you to add shine back to your hair. So I've just finished applying this product all over my hair, but I felt like I didn't apply it well on my hairline. So I'm just applying it more on my hairline just to make sure my hair and my hairline gets the good benefits of this deep conditioner. Then this product is written according to the instruction that you need to leave it on your hair for 1 hour. So I'm just going to sit under heat cup for the next 30 minutes just to make sure the product is well penetrated deep in my hair strand. This deep conditioner is enriched with Manuka honey, Marufa oil, baobabs, and African fig extract, and it is supposed to intensely hydrate your hair. It is sulfate free, and also it's certified organic shea butter that deeply condition hair and restore moisture in the scalp, and to result in soft, shiny, and healthy hair. So this is my hair after 30 minutes under heat cup, and my hair feels so soft and my hair feels so very much moistured. So you can actually see the curls popping. So I'm just going to wash my hair and see how the product or how my hair is going to feel without this product. I believe you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on that notification bell so that when I upload any video you will be the first to get notified. So I'm just rinsing off my hair, and I really want to see, or I really want to know if this product really works the way it says it works. So I'm just going to rinse off my hair, then I'm going to moisture my hair. If you don't know how to moisture your hair, I've done a very good video on how to moisture your hair. I'll leave it on the link, on the description link below, so that you can go and check it. Then I'll show you how my hair ended up looking like after few days. So this is how my hair ended up looking like. Compared to when I started this process, my hair was not this moistured. So my hair is very moistured, it's very shiny, and it's very, very soft. So you want to add this process in your wash day, and I believe you won't regret it. And this is how my hair was after 3 days. So my hair is still moistured, my hair is shiny, my hair feels so healthy, as you can see, and you can see the back of my hair. You can see the back of my hair is so nice and very healthy. And I'm just going to put it on a protective style from now on and leave it for a while. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Till next time, bye bye.